guys, it's Christine Castellano back at you again. It's Wednesday night, and I have something fun to show you. For all those girls and guys who couldn't get in to see me for an eyebrow touch up for the past, I'd say, a couple of months, I am selling eyebrow pencils. And these are fabulous. They're pretty inexpensive. They're only $10 a piece. They come in different colors. And I like the natural brown because I haven't touched up my eyebrows for a couple of years now. I have to do it myself because I don't trust anybody, but it is what it is, us in the industry. So, but this is how you use it. You just gently, just give little tiny strokes. And it's a very natural looking color. And there's a color here for everyone. But I always measure like this, this, and this. That's your measurement for the brow. If you have any questions, you can always message me, and we do give virtual consultations. I mean, so many times people have come in without any brows on because of over tweezing. That sucks because you don't even know where to start, by telling them, there's no eyebrow left. Or they come in and they want you to wax their brows, and there's no brows to wax. So I draw them on first. We do some brow mapping, and they're really surprised. Clients are really, really surprised on how great their brows can look when they're proportionate to their face. And they're not these little tiny brows, but doesn't that look awesome? Look, just a little tiny bit of color really wakes them up. And then, of course, if you want to do it permanently, you come in to see us. But since you can't, not for the next couple of weeks, I would get one of these pencils, and you can message me, or we can do a virtual consultation. And you can then show me what brows you got, and I can help you design them. It's pretty simple. So this is the pencil, and it comes in a variety of colors, and it's only $10. So it's really pretty inexpensive, and it's waterproof. So you can buy them off of our Shopify. But like I said, to design your brows, I am always here for you guys. So just reach out, call me, message me, and we can do a virtual consultation. And then when we open up, you can come in and we can do a face-to-face. Actually, face-to-face mask. So anyway, I just wanted to reach out to you and tell you that these are possibilities for the next couple of weeks. And don't forget, you can find them on Shopify. And you can look at our link on our website or on our Facebook and Instagram. Until next time, my dears, I can't wait to see you guys. Please be safe, and I love you guys. Bye.